Did you know that one of the biggest mistakes hunters make isn't choosing the wrong rifle, it's carrying the wrong knife? A fixed blade hunting knife can mean the difference between a smooth field dressing experience and a frustrating struggle in the middle of nowhere. So, which knife truly deserves a place on your belt in 2026? Today, we're counting down the 5 best fixed blade hunting knives, comparing them head to head so you know exactly which one fits your hunting style. From compact workhorses to legendary big game blades, we've got something for everyone. And trust me, our number 1 pick might surprise you. All the links are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. CIVIVI Timberbark Fixed Blade Knife. If you're looking for a compact hunting knife that won't weigh you down, the CIVIVI Timberbark deserves serious attention. Featuring a 3.2-inch full-tang drop-point blade made from Sandvik 14C28N steel, it offers an impressive combination of corrosion resistance, toughness, and easy field maintenance. Compared to the larger knives on this list, the Timberbark sacrifices heavy-duty batoning capability for portability and precision. Its green canvas micarta handle provides excellent grip even in wet conditions, while the slim profile makes it ideal for backpackers and hunters who value minimal bulk. The included kydex sheath with adjustable T-clip adds versatility that many budget competitors simply don't offer. While it doesn't match the raw strength of the Gerber StrongArm models or the long reach of the Buck 120, it easily outperforms many compact fixed blades in terms of value, comfort, and everyday practicality. If lightweight efficiency matters most to you, this knife punches far above its price tag. One of the biggest advantages of the Timberbark is how naturally it disappears into your gear setup. Whether you're trekking miles through rough terrain, climbing into a tree stand before sunrise, or packing ultralight for a backcountry hunt, every ounce matters. This knife was clearly designed with mobility in mind. Despite its smaller footprint, the blade geometry still provides enough control for detailed work like caping, preparing small game, or handling camp food prep. Hunters who prefer a carry-it-everywhere blade will appreciate how easy it is to deploy and maintain in the field. It may not be the toughest knife here, but for those prioritizing convenience, precision, and affordability, the CIVIVI Timberbark is one of the most practical choices available in 2026. Number 4. Ruike Jager F18 Fixed Blade Knife. Stepping things up in size and capability, the Ruike Jager F18 strikes an outstanding balance between bushcraft toughness and hunting performance. Its 33-inch full-tang Sandvik 14C28N blade features a thick 4.5 mm spine that handles batoning and demanding camp chores much better than the CIVIVI Timberbark. Yet, despite its rugged build, the drop-point design and deep belly still make it highly effective for skinning and processing game. The G10 handle scales offer a confident grip in muddy or bloody conditions, and the standout feature here is undoubtedly the 360-degree rotating sheath system, giving it more carry flexibility than almost every knife in this lineup. Compared to the Gerber StrongArm, the Ruike feels slightly more refined for outdoor utility tasks, though it lacks the military-grade toughness and premium steel options found higher on our list. For hunters who want versatility without overspending, the Jager F18 hits a sweet spot that's hard to ignore. What really separates the Jager F18 from many competitors in its price range is its adaptability. This is the kind of knife that feels just as comfortable splitting kindling around camp as it does field dressing a whitetail after a successful hunt. The thick blade stock inspires confidence when tackling tougher tasks, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. For hunters who enjoy multi-day trips and need a dependable tool that can transition seamlessly between survival duties and game processing, the Ruike delivers exceptional value. The innovative sheath system also allows users to customize their carry position for maximum comfort and accessibility. What do you think? Would you choose modular carry options over premium blade steel? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Gerber Gear StrongArm MagnaCut Fixed Blade. Now we're entering premium territory. The Gerber StrongArm MagnaCut takes an already legendary design and supercharges it with CPM MagnaCut steel, one of the most impressive blade steels available today. Its 4.875-inch full-tang drop-point blade delivers exceptional edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, and remarkable toughness, making it one of the most capable all-around performers in this entire comparison. Unlike the Ruike and CIVIVI, which prioritize affordability, the StrongArm MagnaCut is built for those who refuse to compromise. The rubberized handle maintains excellent control in harsh environments, while the modular sheath system supports mall, scout, and traditional carry setups. Compared directly with the standard StrongArm, the MagnaCut version holds its edge significantly longer and offers superior corrosion resistance, although it does come at a noticeably higher price. For serious outdoorsmen, survivalists, and hunters who spend extended periods in demanding environments, this knife represents premium performance done right. MagnaCut steel has quickly become one of the most talked about advancements in the knife industry, and for good reason. It delivers a rare combination of edge retention, toughness, and stain resistance that older premium steels often struggle to balance. That means fewer sharpening sessions during hunting season, and greater confidence when operating in wet or unpredictable conditions. Whether you're quartering large game, processing multiple animals during a trip, or relying on a single blade for days in the wilderness, the StrongArm MagnaCut rises to the occasion. While its premium price tag may deter casual users, dedicated hunters who view their knife as a long-term investment will likely appreciate the superior performance and reliability it brings to every adventure. Number 2. Gerber Gear StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. The original Gerber StrongArm has earned its reputation through years of dependable service, and it's still one of the toughest values on the market. Built around a 4.8-inch full-tang 420HC stainless steel blade, it may not boast the elite edge retention of MagnaCut, but what it lacks in premium materials, it makes up for in reliability and ease of maintenance. Unlike the Buck 120, which excels primarily at big game processing, the StrongArm is a true do-it-all workhorse. It can tackle camp chores, survival tasks, and hunting duties without hesitation. The rubberized grip inspires confidence in wet conditions, and the modular sheath system remains one of the best in the industry. Compared to its MagnaCut sibling, you'll sharpen it more frequently, but you'll also save a considerable amount of money. For hunters seeking maximum durability, versatility, and proven performance without entering premium price ranges, the standard StrongArm remains one of the smartest purchases you can make. Part of what makes the StrongArm so popular is its no-nonsense approach to functionality. This isn't a knife designed to sit in a display case, it's built to be used hard. Hunters appreciate its robust construction because it performs reliably when conditions are less than ideal. From preparing firewood and cutting rope around camp to field dressing game at the end of a long day, the StrongArm consistently proves its worth. The 420HC steel is also forgiving for those who prefer maintaining their own blades, allowing quick touch-ups with basic sharpening equipment. If you're searching for a knife that offers exceptional utility, rugged dependability, and outstanding overall value, the Gerber StrongArm deserves its place near the top of this list. Number 1. Buck Knives 120 General Hunting Knife. When it comes to pure hunting heritage, few knives can match the legendary Buck 120 General. Designed specifically with big game hunters in mind, this American-made classic features a 7-inch clip point blade crafted from Buck's trusted 420HC stainless steel. Unlike the more tactical Gerber models or the compact CIVIVI Timberbark, the Buck 120 focuses on one thing processing game efficiently and effectively. The long blade excels at field dressing, skinning, and deboning larger animals, allowing for smooth, sweeping cuts that shorter knives simply can't replicate. Its traditional phenolic handle and premium leather sheath give it timeless appeal, although its size makes it less practical for heavy bushcraft tasks like batoning or shelter building. Compared to every other knife on this list, the Buck 120 is the specialist the knife hunters reach for when serious game processing is the priority. If you're a dedicated deer, elk, or moose hunter, this blade delivers a level of precision and reach that's difficult to beat. There's something undeniably special about carrying a knife with decades of proven history behind it. The Buck 120 isn't chasing trends or tactical styling, it stays true to the purpose it was designed for. Generations of hunters have trusted this blade because of its consistency and effectiveness in the field. The longer clip point profile provides excellent control for making clean cuts, especially when working with larger game animals where efficiency matters. While it may not be the most versatile option for survival enthusiasts, hunters seeking a dedicated processing tool will appreciate its specialized performance. For those who value tradition, craftsmanship, and a design that has stood the test of time, the Buck 120 General remains one of the finest hunting knives ever made. So, which one wins overall? Here's how they stack up. The CIVIVI Timberbark is the king of compact value. The Ruike Jager F11 offers incredible versatility and one of the best sheath systems available. The Buck 120 General dominates when it comes to traditional big big game processing. The Gerber StrongArm MagnaCut delivers elite-level materials and premium performance, but when we consider overall features, versatility, durability, practicality, and value for the widest range of hunters, the title of Best Fixed Blade Hunting Knife goes to the Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. It strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, handles almost any task you throw at it, and has proven itself time and time again in real-world conditions. It's the knife most people can depend on, whether they're deep in the backcountry or setting up camp for the weekend.